Okay, this instructional video is going to show students how to complete Lesson 3 Drill 2 animations. As you can see, I'm going to start on my Google Classroom where you can see your directions. And also, for the first direction, they want you to open a file called Snow from the data files. I've actually placed that file on your Google Classroom. So if you click right here where it says Lesson 3 Drill 2, here's that PowerPoint file called Snow that you're going to need to download and open. So just go ahead and click on that, and this just gives you a preview. You'll actually have to go to the top here and download this file. Once it downloads here, just click on it to open it, and we're going to enable the editing. Direction number 2 says apply Couture design theme. So our design themes can be found under design, and they're listed here, but if you don't see the one that you need, you're going to have to hit the more button, and once you do that, they're listed in alphabetical order. As you can see, you have several which to choose from, but if we scroll through and hover over each one, it'll give us that name, and there's the Couture, the one that we need. So we'll select that. The next direction says apply rotate transition with 2-minute duration to all slides. So we're going to go to transition, and if you don't see the transition that you need here, just hit the more, and we're looking for rotate, which is here, and we're going to apply that to all the slides, and you can see my duration is already set for 2 minutes. The third or the fourth direction is to select the picture on every slide and apply what's called zoom animation, and then select start on click for each. Let me show you real quick what it looks like right now. If I was to go into presentation view, each slide would transition like that, and then that's the way the pictures would appear currently based on our current setting. So we're actually going to click on each picture so that we get a different looking animation as we're going to each picture. So we're going to click on the pictures, go to animations, and here are animations. Here you get 5 to choose from initially, but if you hit more, you get the full gamut of transitions or animations. And we're looking for the animation called zoom, which is here. And notice as I hover over each picture, it gives me a preview of the picture, what that animation will actually look like in my presentation. So that's what a float in will look like. That's what a split, which is a really nice tool because you don't have to actually apply something to see what it's going to look like in your presentation. So here's zoom, and that's what that's going to look like. So I'm going to apply zoom to just the first picture, and then I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to press F5 to do my slideshow. And notice once I go advance to the next slide, it's going to automatically zoom in. Okay. So let's do picture. Make sure we have animation zoom. Click on the next picture, animation zoom. And you actually have to go to each slide and click on each one individually. Zoom. And okay. And then just make sure it says start on click for each one as well. We're going to resave this document as your class period followed by pp3-drill 2. And then once you have it saved, you can close it. Let me close that. Go back to your Google Classroom, and you can add and upload this file. Select it from your computer. We saved it there. I think mine is still under my downloads, so I'm actually going to move mine to my documents just by dragging it and dropping it over to my documents. And here it is here, pp3 drill 2. Go ahead and open it, upload it. Once it's finishing The upload, I can just simply turn it in. Once again, if you're turning this document or this presentation in late and you have a note, you can explain that in this area here before you turn it in. And that is it. And those are the directions for lesson 3, drill 2, animations.